Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you an amazing tricks, amazing things, amazing videos that is trendy on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere today. That is how to get coffin box memes Instagram filters. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, what you have to do is let's go to Instagram, and then after going to Instagram, what you have to do is you have to click on the option, your story option. You can see here, so just click on the your story option. So after clicking to your story option, what you have to do is you have to scroll on the left side of your screen. You have to click on the left. You go full left, and then at the last option you will find this search bar option. You can see here, this is the option. You have to get this option. So now just click here, and then uh, you can see here you will find an option for searching. So just click on the search option, and then just type for coffin coffin. So let me search. You can see here, so just click on this coffin dance option. And then guys, what you can do here, you can what you can do here is you can just try it out, and I will show you how to do this. So guys, you can see try out option, so just click on the try out option. So guys, let's check it out. So guys, this is how you can get coffin box meme Instagram filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching guys, please hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.